Guys, this is what it's about here at Mr. Bill Motor Company. It's Kid Credit out here on the lot, and I'm with Roy Jones, who just made a big purchase today. Roy, tell us about what brought you in here and what you did.
Well, we saw the vehicle and we came in and we came in looking for something else, but we found this Sebring and we got it.
Now that's a top-down convertible, right?
Yes, it
so
is.
You're gonna be feeling good driving around in sunlight.
Bright sunlight, you'll be happy.
Absolutely, guys. We got Sebring convertibles, guys. We got Dodge Chargers. We got Impalas. Anything that you're looking for, I bet you can find it over here. It's just like you said.
Come on over.
I love it. If the car you came here for is not here, I bet you we get you really excited about something else. Free oil changes for the life of the loan.
All right.
Every 90 days, you just come and see us. And who sold you that vehicle? I know he loves to hear his
Lawrence.
name. Lawrence. All right, guys.
Come see us.
Come see us. Don't delay. You can drive today. It's Kid Credit. Thanks a lot, Roy.
All right.
See ya.